Hello everyone, my name is Leroy Black. My friends call me Roy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I am going to show you how to save money on your monthly bills and how to make money online if you so choose. And I have found this new program that I think that you're going to love, and it's going to show you both of those things. How to save money online with the monthly bills that you're paying money for anyways, and how to make money online. And I'm also going to have a bonus towards the end of this video. So stick around, make sure you watch the whole thing. All right. Now, if you're new to my channel, if you've never been here before, make sure that you hit the like button on this video. Needs a little love, helps it out. Subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell, which will give you a notification when I make more videos. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this video and I'm going to make it be part one of a playlist on how to save money and how to make money online. So why am I doing this? All right, about a few days ago, and give me just a second here, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's do this right here. All right, so we'll pull Zoom off there. So a few days ago, what I did is I'm going to get that to go away. There we go. I made a Facebook post. And on that post, then I said, hey, I made a PDF document and I showed people like how to make money online. And I got a lot of engagement on that video or on that post. And so I thought, why don't I make a video that goes into a little bit more detail, help some people out. Now, I've had to start my life over before. I've had to completely start from ground zero, like new friends, new family, everything. Another story, another time. I've also been homeless and I've had to count literally every cent that I got and pull myself up out of that circumstance. And there's a lot of really cool little tools and technology that, me and my now wife learned along the way through those experiences that helped us get ahead again. And the reason for this playlist is to share with you that knowledge and those experiences and the tools that we use to make that happen. So stick around, make sure that you continue watching these videos as I make them so that you can see how we did that, and then you can do it as well. I love helping people. That's just who I am, and I want to help you be successful in your endeavors on paying for your bills, have a little more money for your family, that sort of thing. So anyways, like I said, I made this Facebook post where I made a PDF document that walks people through how to save money on their bills and make money online. And like I said, it got a lot of engagement. And so that's why I made this video. All right, so I'm going to kind of walk through the steps of that document. So the step number one is you go to one of my domains that I made to help make this process simpler, right? And it's going to be sending you savings, because that's literally what I'm doing. I'm going to be sending you the savings that you need to help you save on your bills, right? So we're going to go to sendingyouSavings.com. SendingyouSavings.com. All right. It's going to take you to this page. Watch this video and then click here where it says register your spot. All right. And secure your spot now. Put your name, put your email. It's going to take you this. Now, this presentation is pretty long. So set aside some time. Make sure that you have time away from distractions where you can sit and listen to this and get all the information out of it. Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen for just a second here because I want to show you the next step without actually watching the presentation. And I'm going to link all these things down in the description below. So at any point, if you feel like I did a good enough job of explaining this and you want to just jump right ahead to other portions, you can go to those links. So bear with me just a second here while I do this. And you click on that, go here, click there. All right, I'm going to share my screen again. We're going to come over here and we're going to do this one. So after you watch the presentation, you're going to be taken to this page. And in the document, I didn't do necessarily the best job of explaining these different three things. So if you only want to save money on your bills, and you're not necessarily interested in making money online or making a lot of money online, you're going to want to go with this first option. I know it's $20 a month, but listen, hear me out. You're going to save more on your monthly bills by following the steps that I'm going to show you than the cost of admission. Plus, if you share this with your friends, which is called affiliate marketing or profit share, which is legal, you can go look it up. Lots of big companies do it. Amazon does it. Walmart does it. Chase Bank does it. Adidas does it. Nordstrom. There's a lot of companies. You do your research, and I would encourage anybody to do their research. All right. Go look up big companies that do affiliate marketing and how you can get down on it. They have all their own little rules and everything. And like I said, there's going to be a bonus at the end of this video where I'm going to show you some of that. But anyways, back to this. So $20 a month, you share it with your friends, you get $10 on their initial sale, and then you get $5 a month. So 4 people that you share it with that decide to do the same thing, your admission is paid for, plus you save the money on your bills and whatnot once I show you how to do that, and you use the system the way it was designed to be used, right? Okay, now these other 2 options are for if you want to not only save money on your bills, but you want to make money online. The best one is this one, $199 a month, but like I said, you can save that as well as if you're actually using it to make money online and sharing it with other people, more than pays for itself. Can very quickly, depending on how well you market it. Now, you don't have to be a salesman. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to know all this technical mumbo jumbo on how to create these things. Because what's different about me sharing it with you, opposed to you just stumbling upon this online, is I actually have a team of people, like-minded entrepreneurs, who do this every single day, and they come together and they encourage each other and share their, aha moments and whatnot. And also, the leaders that are going after this and making this their living are actually showing you step by step, as easy as 1, 2, 3, ABC, click here, do this. So it doesn't matter if you're not a technical person or you don't have the background, et cetera, to do this. You can learn from them, and that is free. The other thing that's incredible about this is if you've tried other things online, you'll know that the cost getting in is usually pretty cheap, but then there's always a big upsell on the back end, right? Might cost you only $20 a month, but then you're going to have to spend $3,000 or $4,000 to be successful. Not so here. These 3 things, what you see, this is it. This is all you need to spend. There's not a big upsell. That is very refreshing. Let me just tell you. All right. So these other 2 options are for if you want to make money online. Hands down, I would do the $199 a month. All in, burn the boats, make it happen, be determined, have a burning desire to make money online. This is for you. This is what I did. This is what I do. Okay. If there's just no room in your budget and you absolutely can't afford it, then you could go with the 100 and figure it out from there. You can make this work. Okay. Free training, show you how to do everything you need to be successful. All right. If this is something that you're like, oh, well, I just want to try it out for, a day or 2. If it doesn't do anything for me, then I'm going to bail. Might as well not even try. Don't do it. Don't waste your time. But if you actually have a burning desire to make money online or save money and make something happen, and you're willing to stick to it, then this is the thing you've been looking for. Okay. All right. So those are the 3 options. Again, I will put the link to these in the description so that you can find it easily. And I'm going to show you, so I'm going to stop sharing again for just a second. I'm going to show you how to use it. So that's the step 1, step 2. So step 1, enter information. Step 2, set aside some time, watch that webinar. It's going to go into a little more detail than I did. If you want to skip past that, you think that I did a good enough job explaining, again, you can jump to that page where you pick one of those 3 options. And if you just want to save money on your bills and that's all you want to do, again, I would suggest the $20 a month if you want to actually save money on your bills, your travel, lots of other things, as well as make money online. 100%, I would do the $199 a month. All right. Now, once you get into the system, and give me just a second here to get into mine. All right, I'm going to share my screen again. Bear with me. Sorry for that head turn. I'm learning how to do this too. All right, here's my screen. So this is your back office. Once you get in, you're going to want to click on the Save Money down here. There's all these different things that you save money on. I have the titanium, so I am, a little more set up with some of these things than you would be at the $20 a month. But here's what you're going to want to do. Come over here to the side, and you want to click on your savings portal right here. And again, the webinar covered this as well. The very first time you log in, you're going to need your referral code and set up your account, but you get in, there's tons of things you can save money on, okay? There's lots of discounts, local deals that'll actually search for things in your area and show you where you can save money on, like, I don't know, buying dinner for pizza tonight or something. Travel tickets, if you want to shop by category, these are all the different things that you can save money on. Could be things that you're buying already anyways. Apparel, auto, all these different things. Won't go into detail of all the different items and how to use them, but there's tons, okay? Yes, it's going to take a little bit of work. Yes, you're going to have to actually function at a high level and come in here and figure every little, little thing out. But if you spend the time and figure out where you can save money on things you're buying anyway, again, this will more than pay for itself. Now, really cool thing is, and let me just come back over to here, you can actually schedule an interview with a professional who will, and I'm going to stop sharing again for just a second here, who will call you and go over the bills that you're already paying for, let's say your cell phone bill, internet bill, as well as a few others, and they will go to bat for you with these companies, and you won't have to change those companies, and they will make your bills lower. It's about a 30-minute meeting. You schedule that with a professional. They call you. It's included even at the $20 a month level, okay? Now, how do you do that? All right, bear with me again. I'm going to share my screen one more time. So, say share. All right, what you're going to want to do is come over here to your dashboard again over on the little menu that pops out, and you come down here to lower your bills for business. It's for business and residential. See, business and residential, okay? This isn't all of them, but these are some of the major companies that they work with. And like I said, your cell phone bill, if you have Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, so on and so forth, your internet, whoever your ISP is, Cox, there's a couple others on here, Dish Network, CenturyLink, AOL, lots of things on here, even if your XM, satellite radio, and that sort of thing. All right, you're going to click right here where it says Get Your Savings Review, and you're going to schedule a date that you want to have someone call you, and they will do a 30-minute phone call. They'll go over the things that you can save, okay? So again, you can save money on the bills that you're already paying for, save money on stuff that you're going to buy. And let's say your groceries, come in here, see where it says print free coupons, go into that, start searching for the things that you buy anyways, start saving money right at the cash register on your groceries. So there's tons of ways to save money and again, make money online with this. It's amazing. All right, so that is the basics of how to use this to save money online, which is the purpose for this video. Now for the bonus. I know you've been waiting for, this is why you're sticking around, put up with me for this video so far, and I appreciate it. So I wanted to show you an email. I'm going to go to my email. Hang on. Let's let it load here. All right, so like I said, Chase is one of the companies that does affiliate marketing and or profit share, however you want to call it. It's a more cost-effective way for these big companies to advertise, because word-of-mouth advertising, where somebody gets all excited about something and shares it with their friends, gets more attention than, let's say, an ad or a pop-up or an advertisement on TV that you're just going to fast forward on anyways when you have your DVR, right? So look at this. Leroy, refer a friend to any participating card and you both earn rewards. Earn up to $500 cash back per year by referring friends to any participating Chase Freedom card. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, I've seen this before. It's points. It only goes back as credit on your account. That's all you can do with it. Not so with this card. This card, you can actually have it transfer that money directly to your bank account as actual cash back to you, which is one of the reasons why I love it. That's super cool. Okay, and $100 $100 for each friend that gets approved when you share it. And they have this big long share code. I made it easier to do the share code. I added a subdomain to one of my domains. And it is chase.aerobik.com. IROIBK.com. Chase.aerobik.com. All you got to do is go to that, and it will bring you to this website. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that right now. And ta-da, it brought us to that website. And these are the 4 different cards that qualify. If you get one of these, you earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases. Now, I'm not a finance person, but my suggestion is to use your money to make money for you, okay? The way you do that is you're using this card for stuff that you're going to buy every day anyways, but rather than buy it with your bank account, you buy it with this card, pay this card back off tomorrow with your bank account, just like you used your bank account, okay? Don't use it as a credit card. Don't get into debt, but use it for purchases that you're going to pay for anyways. Now, I want to bring your attention to this very next item right here. Look at this. 5% cash back on gas stations. When you use this card to buy gas, you get 5% cash back. It has a cap on it, up to $6,000 per year, but it's money you're spending for gas anyways. Why not have that come back to you? I mean, it's no brainer, right? 1.5% on everything. Doesn't matter what you're buying. Okay? 3% on dining. You go to a restaurant, you go get fast food, whatever it is, you get 3%. 3% on drug stores. You need some beer at Walgreens, 9 o'clock at night. Dude, get 3% of that back. Okay, so now you make money on the purchases as you use the card. You also make money as you share it with other people, just like I'm doing with you. And you make money, and the person you share it with, who then gets them card, makes money as well. How cool is that? Anyways, that's the bonus. I hope you found this video helpful. Hold on. Stop share. That's what I meant to do. Okay, I'm still learning how to do all this stuff. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that it helps you. Like I said in the beginning, I like helping people. It's part of the reason why I'm doing this, and I want to help as many people as I can. And let me know in the comments, where you're from, where you heard about this video from, how you got here. I want to know. Curious. Did you see my TikTok? Did you see, one of my reels or Facebook videos or something and got to here? How did you find my YouTube channel? How did you find this YouTube video? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you follow these instructions and you saved money, you got the card, you're getting cash back, and you can't transfer money back to your account like I did, let me know too. Put it in the comments. Let others know that this is working for you like it has for me, and that it's helped you, because that is the reason. I crave for you to be able to have more money in your bank and be able to do more fun things with your family or whatever your goal is for money, right? Live better. That is my goal. That's what I want to help with. And hey, continue watching the videos in this playlist, because I have a ton of other things like this that I'm going to share with you that'll help you with your bills, with your monthly budgeting, with how to get money flowing back to you, how to use your money that you have already to start paying dividends back to you. So see you next time. Roy out.